Hey guys, um, is my you know am I audible? Okay, I guess I'm audible. So let's begin. The today's topic is about the anthrax, bacillus anthrax. Basically, it is a gram-positive bacilli. Okay, so let's study together. Okay, okay. So bacillus. It's a type of gram-positive bacilli. Okay, bacillus. So bacillus. So it is a sporogenous rod-shaped bacteria classified into two genera: aerobic bacilli and anaerobic clostridia. Okay, two. It is a genera. Okay, it is genera. It is classified into two types: aerobic, which is called bacilli, and anaerobic, which is called clostridia. Okay, aerobic is called aerobic is called bacilli, and anaerobic it is called clostridia. Okay, 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 okay. And this genus bacilli consists of aerobic bacilli forming heat resistant spores. They form heat resistant spores. Okay, this is important. So they, I guess this is the virulence factor. Heat resistant spores. Heat resistant and spores. Okay. Okay, so the maximum temperature for vegetative growth ranging from about 25 degrees Celsius to above 75 degrees Celsius, and the minimum from about 5 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, the salt tolerance varies from less than 2% to 25% of NaCl. Okay, their spores are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means they are found everywhere. Everywhere means literally everywhere. Okay, and spores are ubiquitous, being found in soil, dust, water, and air, and constitute the commonest contaminants in the bacteriological media. Okay, Bacillus anthracis, the causative agent of anthrax, is the major pathogenic species. Bacillus cereus can cause foodborne gastroenteritis. Some species may be responsible for opportunity infections. Okay. So here you should write that the spores are ubiquitous. Okay. They're ubiquitous and okay. They are found in soil, dust, water, okay, and air. So, bacillus anthrax. Bacillus. There is heavy rain going on outside. So please ignore that sound of rain. Okay. This is anthrax pathogenic species. And guys, the funda towards the learning the microbiology is that first you need to memorize the uh, chart, like all the gram positive, all the gram negative bacteria. Then proceeding forwards, we should learn about the like the diseases caused by those bacteria. Okay. Bacillus anthrax. Anthrax is from Greek word anthrax for coal, black color of HR. The historical interest is attached attached to the anthrax bacilli. First to observe under microscope. Okay, okay, this is very important. Bacillus anthrax is a natural reservoir in soil. Does not depend on an animal reserve, making it hard to eradicate. Common cannot be regularly cultivated from soils where there is an absence of endemic anthrax. Okay, occurs sporadically throughout the U.S., South Dakota, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi. California recognized endemic areas. Anthrax was for long feared as a potential tool in biological warfare. This fear became an actual fact in 2001 when anthrax in the form of weapons grade spores having enhanced dispersibility and violence was sent by mail to various destinations in the US, causing disease and death in many persons. Oh, okay. So anthrax was used as a biological weapon to kill the person. Morphology. So anthrax bacilli is one of the largest of the pathogenic bacteria, measuring about 3 to 10 micrometer and into 1 to 1.6 micrometer in length and diameter respectively. So, morphology. Uh, morphology. So we have it is about 3 to 10 micrometer, micrometer, 1 to 1.6 micrometer. Uh, Okay, so it is surrounded by the capsule. Surrounded surrounded by capsule. Okay. The capsule is pulpiptide in nature. Okay. This is polypeptide. Capsules are not found under ordinary conditions of culture, not only if the media contain added bicarbonate or are incubated under 10 to 25% of CO2. If grown in media containing serum, albumin, charcoal, or starch, capsule formation may occur in the absence of carbon dioxide. In cultures, the bacilli are arranged end to end in a long chains called like bamboo stick appearance. Bamboo stick appearance, important. In cultures, appear in culture appear bamboo stick. Spores are formed in culture or in the soil, but never in the animal body during life. Okay. Spores are central or subterminal, elliptical or oval in shape, and are of same width as bacillary body, so that they do not cause bulging of vegetative cell. The anthrax bacillus is gram positive and non-acid fast. Yeah, we know that. We know that. The spores do not stain by ordinary methods, but can be stained differentially by special techniques. When stained with soda and black bee, fat globules may be made out within the bacilli. These are some staining methods um, to visualize the spores of the bacillus anthrax. Okay. Hmm. Cultural characteristics. It is an aerobe and facultative anaerobe with a. Hey, bro, what is the facultative anaerobe? Like I guess faculty, so like facultative means if the oxygen is present, then it can do the aerobic. Okay, and if it doesn't, then it is called the facultative anaerobic, right? Or maybe the tables are turned. I don't know. Please mention it in comments. Okay. What is a facultative anaerobe? Okay. Hmm. This bacteria has a very peculiar characteristics like medusa. Have you heard about the medusa? Like that pretty old lady with snakes instead of hairs. You know, according to the Greek or yeah, Latin mythology. The Medusa, like the lady with snakes on her head without the hair. So this bacteria also form the Medusa head appearance. Okay. So when cultured, they form the Medusa head appearance. Medusa. uh, on blood agar, the colonies are non-hemolytic. They don't produce hemolysis on the blood agar. Okay. Non-hemolytic. They are non-hemolytic. Okay. Glucose, maltose, and sucrose are fermented, producing acid but no gas. Nitrates are reduced to nitrites. Catalysis is found. Okay. Biochemical reactions. Biochemical reactions. 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 So, glucose. Glucose is a monosaccharide. Maltose is a monosaccharide. Sucrose is a polysaccharide. Okay. Sucrose fermented. Producing acid but no gas. Acid but no no gas. Nitrates are reduced to nitrites. Okay. Nitrates are reduced catalysis formed. Catalysis is formed. Resistance. So the vegetative bacilli are not particularly resistant and are destroyed at 60 degrees Celsius in 30 minutes. In the carcasses of animals which have died of anthrax, the bacilli remain viable in the bone marrow for a week and in the skin for 2 weeks. Okay. The spores are highly resistant to physical and chemical agents. As we have seen, they are heat stable. Okay. So they have been isolated from naturally infected soil after as long as 40 to 60 years. They resist dry heat at 140 degrees Celsius for 1 to 3 hours and boiling for 10 minutes. This in 5% for weeks. Okay. Okay. So this bacteria is actually killed by the sulfonamides, penicillin, erythromycin, streptomycin, tetracycline, and chloramphenicol. Okay. Occasional strains resistant to penicillin are encountered. Pathogenicity. So in nature, anthrax is primarily a disease of cattle and sheep and less often of horses and swine. But experimentally, most animals are susceptible to a greater or lesser degree. Rabbits, guinea pigs, and mice are susceptible. Following the subcutaneous inoculation of culture into a guinea pig, the animal dies in 24 to 72 hours, showing a local gelatinous hemorrhagic edema at the site of inoculation, extensive subcutaneous congestion, and characteristically an enlarged dark red friable spleen. The bacilli are found in large numbers in local lesion, heart, blood, and spleen more than 10 to the power 8 bacilli per ml. Fuck. This is many bacteria. Okay. Now let's talk about the viral factor. This is important. This is most important about the bacteria. You should know the viral factors, the etiology and the disease and the prevention. Okay. So first we are going to talk about the virulence factors. So let's fucking write it down. Virulence factors. Capsular pulpiprid and anthrax toxin. Capsular pulpiprid and anthrax toxin. Okay. Polypeptide aids in the phagocytosis, inhibits the phagocytosis, inhibits inhibits phago. Guys, I have a very bad habit of speaking in when uh, you know um speaking of speaking when you have saliva in your tongue, in your mouth. So see, now also I'm speaking like that only. Okay, so I just want to improve my speaking skills and yeah, improve overall. That's true. So, um, so the capsular pulpit aids virulence by inhibiting phagocytosis, loss of plasmid. Plasmid is the extra chromosomal DNA. Okay, which controls capsular production, leads to loss of virulence. This is how the live alternative anthrax spore vaccine strain was obtained. Okay. The anthrax toxin was identified by the finding that the injection of sterile plasma of guinea pigs dying of anthrax into healthy guinea pigs killed them, and that would be okay. Immune serum. The toxin is complex of three fractions. The edema factor OF or factor O. Okay. So it is a complex of three fractions. It is a complex of three. First one is the edema factor. Edema OF. Then second one is the protective antigen factor PA. Protective pro protective anti antigen. Okay. And third one is the lethal factor. Third one is the lethal factor. Lethal lethal factor. Lethal lethal. Okay. They are not toxic individually, but the whole complex produces local edema and generalized shock. Okay. The three factors have been characterized and cloned. The P, that is a protective antigen fraction, is a fraction that binds to receptors on the target cell surface and in turn provide attachment sites for OL, that is the edema factor, and LL, that is the lethal factor, facilitating their entry into the cell. The antibody to this protective antigen is protective because it blocks the first step in toxin activity, namely its by. Okay, so this protective antigen factor, which is which is one of the important factors of this of this whole toxin. So if we make the antibody against this against this protective antigen, then the toxin won't bind to the cell, and all the processes, pathogen activity of this toxin is destroyed. So yeah, OF, that is what is OF? Fuck, I forgot it. Edema factor. Okay. Edema factor is an adenyl cyclase which is activated only inside the target cell, li- li- leading to intracellular accumulation of CAMP. Okay, this is believed to be responsible for the edema and the other biological effects of the toxin. The entry of the LF. LF. What is LF? lethal titer into the target cell causes cell death, but the mechanism of action is not known. Loss of plasmid, which encodes the F toxin, renders the strain aberrant. Okay. This is believed to have been the basis for the original anthrax vaccine developed by Pasteur. The virulent Sterni vaccine strain is devoid of plasmid coding for capsular polysaccharide. Hmm. So, anthrax is zoonosis. Animals are infected by ingestion of spores present in the soil. Direct spread from animal to animal is rare. The disease is generally a fatal septicemia, but maybe sometimes okay. What is septicemia? It is basically the bacteria in the blood, bacteria in the blood, bacteria in the blood, bacteria in the blood. Septicemia, but may sometimes be localized, resembling the cutaneous disease in human beings. Infected animals shed in discharge from the mouth, nose, and rectum. Large number of bacilli which sporulate in soil and remain as the source of infection. Human anthrax is contracted from animals directly or indirectly. The disease may be cutaneous, pulmonary, or intestinal. All types leading to fatal septicemia or meningitis. How much is the cutaneous anthrax? This follows entry of infection through skin. The face, neck, hands, arms, and back are usually sites. Let's let the title down. Let's write the title down. टाइटल लिख लेते हैं उसके बाद देखें cutaneous this follows the entry of infection through the skin. The face, neck, hands, arms, and back are usual sites. Face, face, neck, hands, arms, and back. They are the usual sites. The lesion starts as papule 1 to 3 days after infection and becomes vesicular, containing fluid which may be clear or blood stained. The whole area is congested and edematous, and several satellite lesions filled with serum or yellow fluid are arranged around a central necrotic lesion which is covered by black HR. The name anthrax, which means coal, comes from black color of HR. Okay. Lesion starts as a papule 1, 2, 3 after infection. becomes vesicular. Whole area is congested. And edematous central necrotic lesion covered by black discharge. Shit. The lesion is called malignant pustule. The disease is used to be common in dock workers carrying a load of hides and skins on their bare backs, and hence was known as hide porter's disease. Cutaneous anthrax generally resolves spontaneously, but 10 to 20% of untreated patients may develop fatal septicemia or meningitis, also called as Hyde Porter disease. Hyde Porter disease. Not Porter disease. Porter's disease. Okay. Nation is called. What is it called? Malignant pustule. Malignant. Malignant. Now coming to the pulmonary anthrax. This was all about the cutaneous anthrax. Now pulmonary anthrax. Pulmonary anthrax. This is called a wool sorter disease. Oh, previous one was called the Porter's disease. This is called wool sorter disease. Also called due to inhalation of dust from infected wool. Due to inhalation Relay due to inhalation. Dust from infected food. From this is the hemorrhagic pneumonia with a high fatality rate. Hemorrhagic meningitis may occur as a complication. Okay. Hemorrhagic pneumonia. Pneumonia with a high fatality rate. Now, intestinal anthrax. Intestinal anthrax. Mm, this is a rare and occur mainly in primitive communities who eat the carcasses of animals dying of anthrax. A violent enteritis with bloody diarrhea occurs with a high case fatality. And the industrial or non-industrial agriculture. The former is found in workers in industries such as meat packaging or wool industry. Non-industrial analysis is often an occupational disease in those who such as veterinary veter what is this? क्या है ये? Veterinarians, veterinar, veterinarians, veterinarians, okay, veterinarians, butchers and farmers. It may also be found in general population. Cutaneous anthrax used to be caused by shaving brushes made with animal hair. Stomoxis calcitrans and other biting insects may occasionally transmit infection mechanically. Okay. Laboratory diagnosis. How to diagnose this fucking disease? Okay. Tell me, bro, how to diagnose this fucking disease? Hmm? Laboratory diagnosis. Label. Microscopic. Micro. Microscopy. Then culture. Culture. Okay. Then animal inoculation. Any inoculation. Okay. Serological demonstration of antigen. Serological tests. Serological tests. Antibodies. Antibodies against the toxin. Yeah. Gel diffusion. Gel diffusion. Complement fixation. Complement fixation. Fixation. Agglutination. And ELISA techniques. And ELISA. Laboratory diagnosis. When an animal is suspected to have died of anthrax, autopsy is not permissible as the split blood will lead to contamination of soil. An ear may be cut off from the carcass and sent to the laboratory. Alternatively, swabs soaked in blood or several blood smears may be present. The demonstration of gram-positive bacilli with morphology of anthrax bacilli and a positive Fadien's reactions Fadien's क्या नाम है? Fadien's reaction will enable presumptive diagnosis to be made. Immunofluorescent microscopy can confirm the identification. Okay. After the bioterrorism experiences in the USA in 2001, the CDC have prepared guidelines for identification of anthrax bacillus. Any large gram-positive bacillus with the general morphology and cultural features of anthrax, non-motile, non-hemolytic, on blood agar, and catalytic positive can be given a presumptive report of anthrax. For initial confirmation, lysis by gamma phase or and DFA for capsid specific staining and for polysaccharide cell wall antigen are sufficient. For further confirmation, PCR for anthrax bacillus specific chromosomal markers can be done. For epidemiological studies and strain characterization, MLVA and AFLP can be used. Okay. Prophylaxis. Prevention of human anthrax is mainly by general methods such as improvement of factory hygiene and proper sterilization of animal products by hides and wool. Carcasses of animals suspected to have died of anthrax are buried deep in quicklime or cremated to prevent soil contamination. Prevention of anthrax in animals is aided by active immunization. The original pasture anthrax is of great historical importance. It was Pasteur's convincing demonstration of the protective effect of his anthrax vaccine in a public experiment at Poly-le-Fort in 1881 that marked the beginning of scientific immunoprophylaxis. The Pasteur's vaccine was the anthrax bacillus attenuated by growth at 42 to 43 degrees Celsius. The spore is common infective form in nature. Vaccines consisting of spores of attenuated strains were developed. The Stern vaccine contained spores of non-capsulated variant mutant strain. The Mazuchi vaccine contains spores of stable attenuated carbazo strain in 2% of a saponin. The spore vaccines have been used extensively in animals with good results. Okay. Think ना बढ़ाया है चलिए थोड़े चलेंगे so they give protection for a year following following a single injection. They are not considered safe for human use, though they have been used for human immunization in Russia. Alum alum precipitated toxoid prepared from the protective antigen has been shown to be safe and effective vaccine for human use. It has been used in persons occupationally exposed to anthrax infection. Three doses given intramuscularly at intervals of 6 weeks between third and first and second, and 6 months between second and third doses induce good immunity, which can be reinforced if necessary with annual booster injections. Treatment. This is important. Treatment. Very important. Sure. Ah, treatment. Treatment. Antibiotic therapy is effective in human cases but rarely succeeds in animal as therapy is not specific in biology. Antibiotics have no effect on toxin. Okay. Antibiotics have no effect on toxin. Okay. This is important. Anti have no okay. Ox ox clocks declocks. Doxycycline and ciprofloxacin. Doxycycline and cipro ciprofloxacin. Ciproflo वन सेकेंड ना, बोल श्री को मैं घर में हूँ, क्यों रे? नहीं यार, थोड़ा काम आ गया, काम आ गया थोड़ा। तू कहाँ पे है अभी? तू कहाँ पे है अभी? अरे सुनना सुनना सुनना, सच में ना, तो रुक ना थोड़ा, बुखार दे जाना है प्लीज, मेरा ये साबुन और वो ला, शैम्पू। मैं प्रणय को बोलता हूँ। अरे बोलता है यार, रुक ना, थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकना है सिर्फ। हाँ रुक, मैं प्रणय को फोन कर दो, ओके। तू तो, नहीं वो नहीं आता जिम को। अरे रुक ना, मैं तो तेरे को बोलता हूँ, रुक। तू वहां पे रुक, ओके, तू वहां पे ही रुक। हम्म। हाँ हाँ, मैंने नहीं, मैं उसको फोन करता हूँ, वो कहाँ पे अभी वो पूछता हूँ उसको मैं, फिर तेरे को बोलता हूँ, ओके। तू जहाँ है वही वही रुक, ओके। हम्म। हम्म। ठीक है, ठीक है। ओके। हाँ ओके ओके, ठीक है। ओके ओके, ठीक है। ठीक है, ठीक है। बोलता हूँ। क्या बोलना? अरे वाह, ओपी, चलो, नाइस। मैंने तेरे को पूछा है, तूने जवाब ही नहीं दिया। सही यार, ओपी। हम्म। चल। हाँ ना ना, चिकन लेके आ। हम्म। चल ठीक है, फ्रोजन ला, फ्रोजन, ओके। अरे क्योंकि वो काटने में इजी रहता है। नहीं वैसा कुछ नहीं है मेरे को, कुछ। ठीक है, चल, चलता मेरे को। नहीं रे, कुछ नहीं है, वैसा कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है, ओके। हम्म। मैं तेरे को फोन मैं तेरे को फोन करके बोलता हूँ क्या अभी, 5-10 मिनट बाद। हम्म। हम्म। चल ठीक है। हाँ, बाय। हम्म। बाय। अंडा खाया। हम्म। चल ठीक। हाँ हाँ, जल्दी। बाय। damn, hey shit, literally chale. Sorry guys, I need to, tomorrow we will do the clostridium, okay? Tomorrow we will do the clostridium bacteria, okay? Bye guys, bye. Have a nice day or night.